hold on. Let's talk about Hakimi. Yes, this Hakimi's matter made the internet this week. A lot of persons has turned to panel of judges. They have dissected the matter. They have argued on it, and they have even given a decision on it. I see a lot of young men, they have been shouting, yeah, Hakimi all the way. Hakimi is the alpha male. I want to be like Hakimi when I grow up.
Will you keep quiet?
You know? And all of these are mere speculations. They are mere sentimental judgments. Let me give you the legal perspective of Hakimi's matter. Mind you, this is my own opinion. This is my own legal opinion. And I'll be taking a bite at the cherry.
You were not informed too? Continue.
Okay, in law, one thing that you should know is that law has to do with preponderance of evidence. Yes. The extent to which you can prove your case in a civil suit is weighed on an imaginary scale of justice. So there will definitely be different arguments. There will be an argument in support of the man, that is Hakimi, and an argument in support of the wife. So in all, I can't say if your argument is valid with evidence to support your claim, most definitely the imaginary scale of justice will tilt to your advantage. The same way the other party, the counsel for the other party will have his own arguments, and it tilts. It just keeps tilting. And the thing is, the person that the evidence and arguments makes credible arguments and gives credible evidence, the person that his own argument weighs more in the mind of the judge with admissible evidence, wins the case. Let me give my own opinion. My name is Adame Uche Esquire, and I will be introducing you to something called trust. Yes, trust actually has to do with reposing confidence in somebody. You have confidence in someone, so you give the person your property to hold for you in trust for the benefit of a third party. Do you get? However, I would want, for the purpose of this discussion, this legal perspective of mine, I would like to snowball it to implied trust. Implied trust basically has to do with you declaring someone as your trustee. You that is declaring someone as your trustee, mind you, you are the settlor. The person that you are appointing to hold your confidence in trust for you is called the trustee. Then the person that is to benefit from that trust that you're creating is called the beneficiary. You get the point now. So, in implied trust, you are declaring your property to be held in trust for you indirectly. Emphasis on indirectly. To be held in trust for you by a trustee. Mind you, the core principle of this implied trust is basically by implication. It is done indirectly, but when they start to check, like when this situation is being analyzed, it can be inferred and it can be implied that, okay, this person actually wanted you to hold it in trust for him to benefit, or a third party to benefit from it. And that brings us to resulting trust. Resulting trust, which is an ambit of implied trust, is that trust that is the transfer of a property to a party that did not pay for it. You get the point? When you transfer that property to the party that did not pay for it, it is deduced that that property is for your benefit. So when situation arises, that party will be obligated to transfer it back to you. It returns back, it results back to you, the transferor, which is the implied settlor in this matter. You get the point?